can use your imagination. You better use your imagination. Let your mind run free. Tell me what you wanna do to me. Use your you better use your
Hey YouTube, it's your boy Dolce. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Before anything guys, I need you to hit that subscribe button down below and also hit that notification bell up there. This look right here took me a pretty good minute, but the blending on the eyeshadow and that eyeliner and these full lips, and this highlighter, baby, if you want to see me put this to work guys, stay tuned. And also I have an amazing video coming out. I got this special guest coming to my channel and you're going to love and die. That video is so hilarious. We're editing it now, so as soon as it's posted guys, you will be aware if you hit that notification bell. So first we're going to start off with this good old Maybelline Baby Skin primer right here. It states that it is an instant pore eraser. So we're going to apply this to our bare face. And by the way guys, I did jump and did my mud mask, aka my glam glow, before this, and I feel like my skin looks good minus the acne right here. I don't know what's going on with this side. And next we're going to jump into the Milani Blur Stick Instant Touch Up. I like using this. It's a drugstore brand. Milani is a good brand. You know, I use this all the time. And so this is supposed to be like the Milk Pore Blur. So let's see. And Benefit Cosmetic has this also. So we're just going to try the drugstore brand out. I have a lot of new products like I'm trying out in this video. Some are high-end and some are drugstore. I can't wait to get this concealer so I can fuck that up. I'm going to do that first real quick. I'm going to take a little bit from my Tarte concealer. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to take where I need it, which is all on this side. Then I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty and the shade 220 Pro Filter foundation, and then I'm going to use my Maybelline 24-hour foundation in 220. And I'm going to blend these two together, and I like these two because this is a little light for me, but this is the same shade, and this is a tad bit dark because this is more of a beige color. So I like using these two, but I go out first with the Fenty Beauty. And with that primer, my face better be like poreless all through. Oh, that actually did well. Next, we're gonna go in with the Beauty Blender this time with the Maybelline. Alright, next is concealer, and we're gonna jump into the Sharp Tape for this, just as we did on the side to cover that acne up, which you guys can see I did well. Next we're going with the Sephora concealer, which I'm going to use as contouring, and it is in the shade 16. Now we're going to go right to blending. Our beauty blender with a little bit of Too Faced 3-in-1. Alright, next we're gonna jump into powder, and you guys know I use my favorite translucent powder right here, and I use this all under my eye and on my basically where I highlight it, I use. Stop cooling. Next, I'm going to use the the Maybelline Fit Me and the loose finishing powder and the number 20 light medium. Want this to look very seamless, like, hello. For the fun part, so we're gonna do eyes, then brows. So again, guys, I'm going to do a simple look. I'll be using my MAC my warm neutral palette. And I'm going to start off first with a base, and I'm going to jump into this beautiful shade right here. Now I'm going to jump into this brown shade right here, and we're just going to build up the crease. And I'm going to use the same brush. There's nothing wrong with using this brush. So we're going to use this one. And then we're going to put it right above the crease. And we're just going to blend that in like that and work it up. Alright guys, next we're going to jump into this beautiful darker brown shade right here. And then we're going to put this in the socket. So we're just actually going to put it like right underneath. Now we're going to go in, and this time I'm going to use a nice pointy eyeshadow, which is a pencil eyeshadow brush type of thing. I'm just going to put that right into the crease of the socket. So now we're going to go in and we're going to cut our crease. The reason why I like to do that is because I like to add different colors and different effects. So what we do, basically you'll see what I'm talking about. Then I'm going to go back in with the Tarte Shape Concealer. So now guys, people want to know, where exactly do you start a cut crease? I've learned this from James Charles, and I looked at his video. He said the brow bone starts here. Your eyeball is right there, and to find where you want it, you want to go right here where the cushiony, like, squishy part is, and you're going to start your crease up there. Alright, now that we got the base set and it's nice, even, and no wrinkles, we're going to go in and now we're going to add these colors. So first I'm going to start with this beautiful champagne shade right here. Next we're going to jump into this shade right here. Then we're going to jump into the champagne, this pink shade right here. Oh, that eye is gorgeous. Thank you, James. And then now we're going to get into this darker shade that we... And now we're going to jump into the champagne shade right here. Pop that on the inner eye. I think that would be really cute right now, especially just this being an all-natural palette. We're gonna go for it. And I like to set my brush with any type of setting spray that I have that is around me. And we're gonna go in this. I saw this and was like, oh my god. Next, we're going to go back in, and now we're just going to blend everything out. What I did was, I'm going to take this pink shade that I used earlier, and then we're just going to blend everything in together. Alright, so now that we got this beautiful cut crease, half cut crease eyes, we're going to go in and now we're going to add liner and then lashes. So now I'm going to take my eyebrow pencil that my eyebrow brush that I use that I got from ABH Cosmetics, and the number 14. I love using this for my brows, but I also like using this for eyeliner just because of the fact that it has that nice fine point. Don't mind that, that's eyeliner. You see what I mean when you have to go quick because it dries so fast to the brush. Oh, that looks good. That looks good as fuck. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Congrats. Give me a pat on my shoulder. Alright, now we're going to add mascara. And I'm going to jump into my Bad Girls Bang mascara. Alright, next we're going to go into the Ardell lashes. Yes, I have a mini because, bitch, we be working on a budget, and so no, I like that. It's perfectly fine. I'm not going to mess with it because if I mess with it, it's going to mess up and I'm going to be pissed. But I think it's cute, especially with that eye. Now we're going to go do the brows and the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright. Next is the lip liner, and I'm going to use this first. Let me swatch this for you real quick. It is that beautiful swatch right there. And then look at the little mini bite lipstick. That is very cute. I thought it was a little bigger than that, but that is cute. And then there goes the lipstick. You can tell that this is more of a mauve color. Ooh, this color is gorgeous. Now you could do this by itself, but I'm not going to be basic. I'm going to jump in with that lipstick. Honey, yes. Do you like? Cause I love it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this look. I am so sorry guys, I was very focused because I wanted my eyes to blend well. I wanted my foundation to look flawless, and my lips are overdrawn, but they're so cute. They're so thick. But thank you guys so much for watching my beautiful tutorial. Guys, I have one more video to do, and it is a tour of my little workroom, and I'm excited, but the only thing that's left is to get my vanity set, and I ordered it and it still hasn't gotten here yet. So once I get here, I'm gonna show you how I have my little studio set up, and I'm so proud of myself because everything has been an investment for me, and it's just a dream of mine, and I'm glad that it's finally coming to. And if you want any tips, I will give you my honest opinion on what equipment you should get if you want to start off and da-da-da. I am new myself, so I will love good advice also. So if you have anything to say, guys, please comment down below and let me know. And also hit that subscribe button and join the Dami squad, cause like, bitch, I love you guys.